What is up, Rides and Roars fans? Today we're at Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana. Just went to their water park for a few hours called Splash and Safari. They have 3 water coasters there. What'd you think of the water park?
It was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun there. It was probably the best one we visited.
Yeah, they've got a water coaster raft ride called Mammoth that was pretty amazing. Definitely a top-notch water park there. And now we're gonna come do the dry park. They've got 4 roller coasters for us to get on, and it looks like we're gonna start off our day with the Voyage.
Welcome back. How was your ride?
Just got back-to-back walk-on rides on the Voyage, front and back row. What'd you think of that?
Oh, it was fun. It just keeps going. It's really long. I like it when we go like side to side.
Yeah.
I like the front better because I got medium stapled in the back and my thighs cut all the airtime. It hurt a little.
It's a little rickety in certain spots, and then other spots it's super smooth. Trims are definitely hitting hard, so I can tell why it would be really good at night without the trims. So we'll have to get to have that experience one of these years. But overall, very great ride, very long, really nice. We just did Thunderbird, the last wing coaster in the US for us. What'd you think of this one?
Oh, I like the launch. I think it's a pretty good launch.
Yeah, and I really like those slow rolls at the end. That's something that Gatekeeper is missing.
Yeah.
That I really enjoy the slow roll. It's got some good near misses. Probably the best.
Yeah, the theming's great. There's real live owls in the queue.
Yeah. Just look up. We decided to stop and do the Gobbler Getaway, which is an indoor dark shooting ride, which we always love. What'd you think of that one?
It was a really good one. I liked how every time you got the targets, a little turkey would pop up. The sounds can get a little annoying.
But it's kind of cute.
It's cute,
to hear the turkey gobble.
And I feel like it smells like Thanksgiving in there too. Maybe
a little
it's crazy.
pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cute little ride. Okie doke. Got burrito bowls from the Alamo. I thought the Legend was super smooth, very strong laterals the whole time.
Yeah, my left side of my body is a little numb.
Definitely found out that Holiday World loves their tunnels.
Yeah, I like a good tunnel too.
Yeah, but I thoroughly enjoyed that one.
Yeah, I like how it goes through the water park too. It's a good little tour.
Yeah, nice scenery. Just finished off on the Raven. How do you like that one?
It's my least favorite one.
Yeah, there's one like pretty rough moment towards the end, but it's got good airtime, good laterals, nice scenery through the woods.
I like the water.
And that's gonna do it for us at Holiday World. What'd you think of the park?
I liked it. I liked the water park a lot. The roller coasters they have here are pretty good. However, the ride-ups really enjoy stapling you. I've stapled so many times. My thighs are killing me.
They also spent a lot of time chatting. There are a bunch of young children working here too. We had a lot of issues with access passes, you know, taking our row, and what was a 3-train wait turned into 15 minutes. So hopefully this is just a one-time occurrence for Holiday World, but operations were pretty poor today, and we're disappointed with that.
I mean, besides that, I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, the coasters are good.
Yeah.
So we'll probably be back in the future. And that's gonna do it for us. So from us here at Rides and Roars, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.